Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Sharanya, also known as Mrs. Explorer, and I make videos on travel, food, and lifestyle every week. You are watching part 7 of my Hong Kong series. I spent 4 full days in Hong Kong and traveled from India. So if you're keen on planning a trip to Hong Kong, please head out to my channel and follow along. You can find all the details about planning a trip to Hong Kong, starting from flights from India to Hong Kong, the pre arrival registration forms, and day wise itineraries on how to spend your day in Hong Kong. No trip to Hong Kong is complete without visiting the iconic Disneyland. And before you start wondering whether Disneyland is a place for kids, let me tell you it is a place that both adults and kids will enjoy alike. The park was full of people even on a weekday, and the strategy consultant in me rushed towards the notice board to see which attractions to tackle first. The waiting time was least around Tomorrowland, and we decided to tackle that first. Within Tomorrowland, our first ride was Ant-Man and the Wasp, and I've posted a detailed video about the ride, so do check that out on my channel. After we were done with Ant-Man and the Wasp, we went to the next ride, which was Iron Man Experience. It is a 3D motion simulator based on the Marvel Cinematic Universe character Iron Man. The attraction is located in an area named Stark Expo. A quick fact about the Iron Man experience in Hong Kong Disneyland is that it was the first Disney attraction to be based on a Marvel property. As you can see, there was zero waiting line in front of this attraction, and our strategy has won here. As you enter the Stark Expo, you'll learn the history of Howard Stark, the founder of Stark Industries, and then you'll meet the current president, Tony Stark, who is introducing a new invention called as the Iron Wing. Tony invites the visitors aboard the Iron Wing for a tour of Hong Kong, including the newly constructed Stark Tower. However, Hydra launches an attack on the city, forcing Tony to don the Iron Man armor and fight the menace alongside the Iron Wing. As this is a 3D attraction, don't forget to grab your 3D glasses before entering.
What's up, buddy? Busy here at the Expo, hanging with my people.
史達先生，Hydra 想偷走大樓嘅熱反應能源
Hey,
器。
fine. Wait. What? Hydra wants my arc reactor? Get out of there, Jarvis. I'm on my way.
收到，即刻返去科技節。
Jarvis, you need to lose some weight there, buddy.
唔該晒，小達先生。飛行運動器恢復正常。
Just to be clear, this is not part of the tour.
如果熱反應能源器俾 Hydra 搶走，
I know, Hydra can't get the arc reactor.
Whew, that was one hell of a ride. Thank you, Tony Stark, and thank you, Jarvis, for saving the day. And a fair warning, if you have motion sickness, this ride is not for you. And as you exit from the attraction, don't forget to check out these cool merchandise from the Marvel store and do grab some as your Hong Kong souvenirs. I am on a mission to try out all the rides and attractions here in Hong Kong Disneyland before I head out. So I am postponing all this shopping until the time the rides and attractions close, so I'll be coming back here. I'll be uploading more vlogs on the upcoming days on all the rides and attractions I tried here, so do stay tuned to the channel. If you've enjoyed this video, do drop a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Mrs. Explorer for more travel content. Until then, bye.